All right, this tutorial is just to show you how to be able to find out exactly what are the guidelines of you ranking up to bronze, silver, gold, and so on and so forth. So when you are in your back office on the left navigation panel, which is here, you're going to scroll down until you see where it says pay plan. Let me see here. I think I moved too fast there. There should be a place where you scroll down to the bottom and it says pay plan on the left here. You click on pay plan and it brings you here. All right. Once you get to this page, which is the pay plan, where you see all the different kinds of ways we get paid, you scroll all the way to the bottom right before the video that explains the compensation plan. You see here, click here for details on rank advancement. If you click on it, it opens up and gives you in detailed narrative format what it takes to rank up. So I'm just going to go through bronze and silver for now, and you guys can go in and check the rest at your own time. For bronze, it's just 2 personally enrolled active members. The keywords here are personally enrolled. For the silver, you must have 10 personally enrolled active members plus, meaning in addition to a total of 20 active members on your team. 10 of them are your personally enrolled. Everybody put together, including yourself, is 20 on your team. Or you have 3 separate enroller legs, meaning on each different legs, each with a bronze ranked affiliate plus a total of 20 active members. Meaning if you have 3 legs with bronze and your total team adds up to 20, you are already a silver without having 10 personal. Okay? Without having 10 personal, if you have 3 legs of bronze and your total team of everybody, including yourself, is 20, you are a silver. Or you have 10 personally enrolled active members and then 20 total of your team. All right. So that's how you find out what it takes to rank up to bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, and crown diamond. All right. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Thank you. Bye-bye.